all, welcome back to my channel.
It's spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I've caught like everything is new.
If you're in this channel, I am Apurva Petinti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. Don't you forget, we are so close to 500 and I really wanted to reach 500 for my birthday, which is 5th of April. COVID cases. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన కోవిడ్ కేసెస్ లాస్ట్ 2 to 3 వీక్స్లో సమ్ డేస్లో ఇన్ ఇండియా ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ వైజాగ్ ఫర్ దట్ సేక్ మీకు తెలీదా? మీరు చూడలేదా? మీరు చూడలేకపోయారా? మర్చిపోయారా? So yes, we have a second wave going on for COVID and it's deadly. మళ్ళీ నాకు ఆ క్వారంటైన్లో కూర్చోవాలని లేదు. మళ్ళీ no one wants to sit in this quarantine and not meet people and just stay isolated from everyone because of lockdowns. So I thought because the second wave is coming and when I go out for some work, I see many people being so negligent about wearing masks and things related to COVID. So I thought it would be very, very useful and informative if I make a video on some things which you really need to follow during the COVID situation, because more than any entertainment, knowledge is everything, and even one person gets benefit out of this video, knows and learns something, it means a lot. I'm just sharing what I know with you all so that it can be helpful and it can prevent you from any harm. That's my total aim for this video. I'll be just covering 3 different aspects of things related to COVID which you have to take care, which you need to take care, which you must take care to be healthy, safe and away from this deadly virus. So yeah, with no further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first thing మనం మాట్లాడేది is definitely mask. కోవిడ్ అంటే మాస్క్కి గుర్తొస్తుంది బికాస్ కోవిడ్ వల్ల మనం మాస్క్స్ వాడడం మొదలుపెట్టాం. Before going into different types of masks which are mostly famous and known, first, mask and why do we use a mask? It's basically like a layer of protection, a filter. That is a mask. So why do we really wear a mask? One is because it filters. But in this COVID, we all know COVID ante manki it comes through particles, air particles or any spit through mouth or anything of that sort. Mouth nunchi ekku vastundi. So the outer layer of the mask helps us filter and it helps to restrain the particles to go into our system, and anduku manam mask eskuntam. And one thing which we should never generally do wearing a mask, normal ga andaru I see people just when I go out they do it. Ippudu mask eskunnappudu, for example, if I take this mask, if I'm wearing it, people touch this outer part, they touch it, they put it inside and ade cheto malli veskuntaru, which is very, 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 very wrong. Because I feel it's so funny when people can't have some that level of common sense. So ee bite layer anedi, it's basically the bad particles, all the dust idi cover chestundi. This protects, so all the things which go from this side and it doesn't let to come in. So ee bite ganda is not at all good. It has all the particles which have been filtered. So there might be any COVID particles even from some person which came on here but didn't enter because we wore a mask. మనం మళ్ళీ ఈ outer portion పట్టుకుని దాని బ్యాగ్లో పెట్టి అలా చేస్తే it's of no use, seriously no use. So if you want to use it, just close this and put it in a polythene and just put it in your bag. That is the best way you can use. ఇది చెప్తాం అనుకున్నా because I see many people doing it, many people. Coming to the types of masks, ఇప్పుడు మనకు తెలిసిన నార్మల్గా మాస్క్స్ అంటే చాలా చాలా different types ఉంటాయి. But there are 5 main kinds of masks which people are generally using nowadays. One is N95, second is KN95, third is the 3-layer mask, fourth is normal and a single layer on a cloth mask, and the fifth one is definitely a surgical mask. So there are different kinds of masks unnai, but the 5 of these are very, very popular and known and almost everyone uses them. So the first one is N95. Then N95 పేరు ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే it filters 95% of the air particles to let go inside. So that is the reason. If it just నేను మీకు knowledge question చెప్తున్నా so that you know what you're actually doing, why you're wearing a mask, ఏంటి ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నారు అసలు, ఏదో చెప్పారు అని వేసుకోవడం కాదు. You should have some sense, some knowledge of what you're doing. So yeah, don't worry, I've researched and I'm telling you all the facts. Don't you worry about that. You can even Google it. So firstly, talking about the N95 mask. If you're a person మీరు ఎక్కువ పబ్లిక్ గ్యాదరింగ్స్కి వెళ్ళి లేకపోతే మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళి లేదా కాలేజెస్ లేదా స్కూల్స్ లేదా ఎనీథింగ్ అలా పబ్లిక్ ప్లేసెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉండి హాస్పిటల్స్కి వెళ్ళి అలాంటి ప్లేసెస్కి ఎక్కువ వెళ్తే డెఫినెట్లీ జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్ అండ్ పిక్ N95 mask and wear it. N95 mask, you need not wash it first of all, and second of all, it is reusable for a longer period of time. Ento time ఉంటుంది, like maybe 190 hours, something like that. I'm not sure. You'll get a text here of how much time you can wear one N95 mask. N95 mask, K95 mask అసలు వాష్ చేయరు, ఓన్లీ క్లాత్ మాస్క్స్ వాష్ చేస్తారు. ఈ మాస్క్ కొంచెం అన్ని మాస్క్ కన్నా ఈ మాస్క్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ప్రైస్లో ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ అరౌండ్ లైక్ ఇట్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 98 and it ends till 150, but if you buy one it will go for a long time. So N95 mask is this. So this is the mask I'm using right now. It is from the brand Venus. You can see it has these yellow straps behind to put, and it is white in color obviously. And e mask ikkada nose ki there is this thing, you can see it is a nose pin. You have it and మీరు వేసుకుని you just need to do this. You need to tuck it in so that everything is covered and no air is going in. That is the use. Ilanti nose pin is surgical mask kuda untai. Some cloth masks even have. So when you have this pin, don't just leave it like this, just tuck it like this. Nose shape prakara. Then it gives you a lot of grip. So the next one is KN95. I don't use it. You can get a picture here. KN95 kuda same N95 lantide, but it is a few degrees lesser protective in nature. KN95 anta filter cheyadu, inka takku chestundi. Like in some cases KN95 filtered just 1%, in some it filtered until 80%. So it depends on what company you buy, but whatever is it, meer a mask konuna, ensure you're taking the right mask. And also KN95 N95 ki ikkada respirators ochina masks untayi. It is proven, even if you can Google it, you can see that KN95 and N95 mask don't at all need respirators here. So ikkada meeku vastundi oka respiratory lantidi, ante it's like a hole and you can breathe. You feel you can breathe more with that, but because of that mask anedi majlo it's being broken, and as such from that hole the particles can go in, and as such there is no use. Alanti respirator ఉన్నది మీరు కొనుక్కొని కూడా waste. So if you want to buy one without a respirator. And if you feel you can't breathe, I am telling you, I am in the beginning level of asthma. I really don't have asthma, but I have little breathing problem. But naaku kuda I feel so comfortable. I don't at all have this problem of not getting breathe like that. So this kind of N95, KN95 really good, and don't worry about your breathing also. It's all set. Next mask is definitely a surgical mask. Now surgical masks are generally in blue color, black, green, ee manchi chala colors vastnayi. So this is what a surgical mask looks like. It has these things, threads on the right side and the left side. Yeah, ila layers la untundi. It's like frills, I don't know what to call. So when you wear this mask, what you're going to do is you're going to take it and wear like this, as you can see, and all these frills have to open me face shape prakaram. And even this has a nose pin here, if you can see. You need to fold this according to your nose మీ నోస్ షేప్ ప్రకారం చేసుకుని, and then it should be closed from the right and left side. No air should be going in, and this is a surgical mask. మీరు ఎక్కువ అంత వెళ్ళకుండా just ఇక్కడిక్కడే వెళ్తూ and somewhere nearby and not many people come there, then you can definitely wear this and it will help you and it will not let the particles get in that fast. N95 protection ఉండదు కానీ it really protects a lot, so this is a good one. Some of these surgical masks are even washable, so you can definitely wash them and wear. లేదా మీరు అలాగే you can wear for some hours and then you can discard it into your trash or anything. Next category is cloth mask. Now cloth lo two untayi generally. One is single layer ochi, next is a 3-layer mask. So 3-layer mask is more prioritized, or it is more better than single layer. Single layer అసలు ఏమి చేయదు నా ఉద్దేశంలో. It's just like a scarf. ఇప్పుడు అమ్మాయిలు స్కార్ఫ్ వేసుకుంటే చూస్తారా, సేమ్ లైక్ దాట్ అంతకన్నా ఇంకేం అనిపించింది నాకు. బట్ I guess it protects. I'm not sure of it, but the 3-layer cloth mask is very 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 protective, not as much as the surgical mask and the N95, but yes, it does filter the air particles a lot. So yeah, that is the thing about cloth masks. You can definitely try them out, and cloth masks are washable, so you can use, but however the fit should be perfect. For any mask, the fit is important because me face మొత్తం cover chill from the nose till the chin. సో మొత్తం ఫేస్ స్ట్రక్చర్కి సరిపోయేలాగా పెద్దది చిన్నది ఏది అవ్వకుండా కరెక్ట్ ఫిట్లో ఉండేలాగా మీ మాస్క్ తీసుకోవాలి, సో దాట్ ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ యూ ఫ్రమ్ ద రియల్ వైరస్. ద నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ వీ గోనా టాక్ అబౌట్ ఇస్ sanitizers. Why not? Sanitizers are like, I am a person in COVID mundu kuda I used to use sanitizers, and my friends were like, "Ammo, she you use sanitizer?" Now see, everybody is using it. So there are different types of sanitizers even here. So I'll just quickly go through all of the types of sanitizers. So sanitizer, what does it do ante మన చేతిలో ఉన్న బ్యాక్టీరియాని చంపుతుంది, జర్మ్స్ని చంపుతుంది and just bang it. So మన చేతిలో ఉన్న బ్యాక్టీరియాని, జర్మ్స్ని అవన్నీ it just kills and it makes them vanish or just go away. 99.9% ఉంటాయి కదా. So yeah, when do you want to sanitize is whenever you touch anything. మీరు బయటకి ఏదైనా ముడితే sanitize your hands before eating, after eating, and if you just go out, keep sanitizing your hands for every half an hour or every 1 hour. But if you're a person with dry skin, check out the ingredients of the sanitizer and then take it, because dry skin వాళ్ళకి ఎక్కువ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. sanitizer ఎక్కువ అయితే there are some skin rashes and things come up for dry skin people. So when you take sanitizer for dry skin people, please check the ingredients and take a nourishing sanitizer. So the first kind of sanitizer is definitely the surface disinfectant spray. So the one which we use in our home is Savlon. This is the one you can see. So this is a surface disinfectant, and this is so freaking good. Like it really helps sanitize things. It definitely is in a spray form, and it retails for 159 rupees, but if you find in Amazon or Flipkart, it comes in a very good deal, and it goes a long way, and it says it has 99.99% germ kill around the home, and this can be used on phones and doorknobs and ఏదైనా surface మీద యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. It is spray form and is of no harm. I'm not sure if you can use it on your skin. It's not that advisable, but just for once made out of either not your sanitizer, you can definitely use it. But this one is a great one, and even companies like Cipla and also some, I'll just put you pictures or links or product names in description so you can check them out. Even they retail these sanitizer sprays. The second one is a disinfectant surface cleaner only, but it is kind of a soap solution. So one we have couple of them actually. So the first one is this Dabur disinfectant. So this one ఇది ఏంటంటే ఒక బేసిక్గా ఒక సోప్ సొల్యూషన్ లాంటిది. ఇది ఏదైనా సర్ఫేస్, దిస్ షుడ్ ఓన్లీ బీ యూస్డ్ ఆన్ సర్ఫేసెస్ ఆర్ వాష్రూమ్స్ ఆర్ కిచెన్, ఏదైనా సర్ఫేస్ ఉన్నది, నాట్ ఆన్ క్లోత్స్, నాట్ ఆన్ హ్యూమన్స్, నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఆన్ స్కిన్. సో స్కిన్ మీద ఇది పడితే మండుతుంది కొంచెం. So what you want to do, you need to spray this and let it clean, let the surface get wet, and then of tissue you can just wipe it off, or gali ka odlesna, it is all fine. And if you do that, this is a great one. It also kills maximum, it says 99.9% as Savlon. The second option, if not Dabur, is this Godrej multi-purpose cleaner. You can see this is the product. This is also same ilanti soap solution. If you use it, you need to just wipe it off with a tissue, or later you can just leave it like that and let it air dry, but don't at all put this on your skin. It might burn, it says so don't put it on skin. So the next kind of sanitizers are definitely for our skin, like hands with a vadachu, not for the surfaces, for human beings. So I have 3. One is the spray kind. My mom bought this in medical shop. It was for 25 or 50. It's like water based sanitizer, and it has a spray. And second is these kind of sanitizers, liquid sanitizers. One is from Himalaya, one is from I don't know, ethanol. It's basically ethanol 70%, so it's good to use as a sanitizer. So these are gel sanitizers, and this is a water based sanitizer. ఇలా స్ప్రే బాటిల్ అంటే కాలేజ్ కదా నేను, సో ఈజీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. జెల్ అంటే కొంచెం బాటిల్లో తీసుకొచ్చి బద్దకం, సో అంతే. You can use any kind of sanitizers, but spray is more feasible to use. You can just take it and just spray anything. So these are basically the different kinds of sanitizers you can use. So this is it for today's video, guys. All I want to say is stay safe, stay home, stay happy. మీరు బయటకు వెళ్ళాలంటే పనుండి, if it's really needed, then just step out. And when you step out, don't forget your mask, your sanitizers. మీరు వేసుకోవడమే కాకుండా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీకి కూడా definitely tell them to wear their masks and sanitizers. I do it, so I'm telling you. Without me doing, I won't tell you guys. My friends లేకపోతే నా family members definitely వేసుకుంటారు. ఎవరైనా మర్చిపోయినా I remind them, I scold them to wear, and I sanitize my hands so often, and I do sanitize their hands even. So I really take care of my dear and near ones, and I hope you to do. Just be responsible in all your actions. Take your responsibility. Be a good citizen. Meeku అది just 1 second పని ఉండదు. Just ఒక మాస్క్ వేసుకోవడం, శానిటైజర్ వేసుకోవడం, లేకపోతే telling them to wear a mask is just a 1 or couple of seconds thing, but I'm sure it will prevent them from a deadly thing. You know, a small virus even can harm someone's life into a very bad shape. So you will be the one saving them from that, and be proud of it. మీ మాస్క్ వేసుకోకపోతే no one is treating you as a heroic person if you're not wearing a mask. But if you are wearing a mask, definitely you are a heroic person, and there's no doubt in that. So please keep in mind that just 1 second or 1 minute, you know, course of action of wearing a mask, sanitizer, telling your friends and family to do it, and you know, when you see someone outside, just telling them to wear a mask, and you know, making it a habit to stay, you know, hygienic is a really good thing. And yeah, just be safe and don't go out if you don't have any work really, and know what you're doing. Be responsible of your actions. Think twice before you do something, and then do it. I hope all of you all do follow the act of wearing masks, the practice of wearing masks and using sanitizers, and stay happy and healthy. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. You all, don't forget to like, share with your dear and your ones, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye you all.